Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 9th of January, 2018. Our weather, current high temperature today and current temperature is about 28 degrees. Going to get colder as the day goes on. Low tonight up about 22. There's a 20% chance of rain. More towards us at our rain, snow-ish type stuff later this afternoon. Our weekly PBIS expectations in the cafeteria. We talked about being safe. Now we're going to look at being responsible. So being responsible means that we're eating our own food. Even if you bring some of that good stuff for lunch, make sure that you keep that and it is your own. Clean up the table and floor after yourself. Yesterday I went in, I believe it was after 4th grade lunch, and there was a pretty good mess up towards the line. We need to make sure we're keeping that clean. Give Mr. Bob an easy job. We're welcoming him back, and we don't want to give him too much work yet. A voice level of a 2 while you are in line and while you are at your table. Remember also to be respectful. Staff announcements, 4th, 5th graders. Miss Krieger came around to your classes the other day, or actually yesterday, and talked about chess club. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you get that to Miss Krieger ASAP. Also, if you are one of those people in 3rd grade that's really interested in chess club and you know how to play chess already, that might be an opportunity for you as well. Just talk to your teacher, Miss Krieger. Talked with them yesterday. We also want to welcome back Miss Palmentier, or the teacher formerly known as Ms. Still. Welcome back and congratulations. The STEAM students, we will be starting a Lego First and a Lego First Junior and a Lego First team. We will be coming around later this week to give you some more information as well as get students who are interested. Basically, it's just a really cool Legos robotics team, and we do get to go to competitions. Miss Steyer and Mr. Sodden are our 2 coaches. Mr. Sodden's going to be doing the Lego First Junior, and Miss Steyer is going to be doing Lego First. Competition table, all kinds of cool stuff we got a grant for, so very excited about that. Our lunch today, we're looking at 4 meat cheese pizza, green beans, pears, crunch baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at some turkey gravy, whole grain roll, mashed taters, sliced peaches, and crunchy baby carrots. Special announcement, just a reminder that this Friday is our PBIS reteach day. Go to each one of our stations, and then the 25th of this month is a half day for all of our students. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. Please make sure, as always, you do things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.